Polinovel 83.2V 560Ah lithium battery, engineered to make forklift operations safer, smarter, and more efficient. Smart visual control. Monitor critical data in real time with a detachable LED display showing voltage, current, SOC, and fault alarms. Maintenance window design. Single-person maintenance window cuts downtime, quick access, easy service. Industrial-grade REMA connector. Separate high-current REMA connectors with communication ensure reliable signal transfer and prevent unintended startup. BMS and fire extinguisher. Intelligent BMS protects against undervoltage, overcurrent, and temperature extremes. Plus, a built-in fire extinguisher for ultimate safety. Need custom batteries? Polinovel offers 24/90V lithium solutions for any forklift upgrade. Visit polinovel.com to explore more.